What's up, guys? Here with another video. This was some funny stuff. And boy, do I ever regret my decision. And you'll see what I'm talking about. Well, that fire plays an important part, let me tell you. Just trying to get better at that clown car combo. And I think it's working. Now watch as I completely destroy him. Well, not completely. Got him. Now watch this. I shouldn't have did that side B. And the fire. Oh god, I messed up. Biggest throw since forever. Yeah, not this time, bro. I had to play safer because this guy was actually starting to beat me now. Freaking went through the bomb. I'm trying to scoop him up with that. I think this is one of those games where my air dodge was delaying and stuff like that. My shield too. But still, this Charizard actually, I underestimated him. And then cannonballs! Away! That was freaking hilarious, man. The fire, though. I done got wrecked. Sorry about the background noise. We discussing dinner plans. Anyway, well, they were. I wasn't. But, yeah, that was great. Like, it was just like, oh, let me just, oh, look, yeah, I got you with the hammer there. He was probably like, oh, screw you. Freaking headbutt me instantly, freaking scratched me, headbutt me instantly, and then just said, yeah, burn, you little bastard. I was like, okay, well, round 2, that's a way to kill somebody. Like, how can you, I can't even be mad at that, like, it was just like, wow, good shit. Like, I was wondering, I was like, well, I seem to have the upper hand. Never mind. I seem to have the upper hand at dying. That's about all the upper hand I had. And I was literally like, after I realized that, I was like, okay, I cannot get below the stage with this guy. He will kill me. So Charizard's a good counter to Bowser Jr. I'm scared whenever I get Bowser Jr. against Charizard again, which, considering both don't really get played that much, is hard to happen. But damn, got Charizard. And I killed him with the cannonballs. That's funny, I always like to get a hammer kill. That hammer aerial is so strong. I really love the use of this hammer. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Peace, guys. And watch out for fire. It burns. I think Bowser Jr. learned his lesson. Always stay away from your father, too, when he's angry. He's gonna burn your ass. Peace.